perfection. And just don't rock on that because it's making noise. That's the only thing. He asked, hey guys, it's Cosi from Channel 7 South Aussie with Cosi here inside what's going to be the third showroom for Bathrooms by Design out here at West Lakes. Is not that far from completion. We thought we'd get to know how this company started by introducing these two lads. Introduce yourself and tell us, how did all this start?
Yeah, so I'm Heath, and I used to be a tiler. I used to work for my dad alongside my brother many years ago. I've had a tiling business for about 24 years, and then I saw there was a space in the market for ultimately a design, manage, construct program where we basically take care of the job for you. So then we started the showrooms probably about 10 years ago now. Got one at Lonsdale, one at Clovelly Park. And then obviously always wanted to do something with my brother who's a builder. And I said, look, jump on board, let's do the third one together. Why not? We've been successful with the other two, and I wanted to share some of that with Luke.
Yeah, like how good is that? So you get dragged in as this gets open. What about your background?
My background, I've been a carpenter for about 20 years and been a builder, sort of body's starting to take its toll. So I had a good opportunity from my brother to jump on board with this third business. So now I've come in and hopefully it works and we can grow it to big enterprise.
This is a cracking location too. Like West Lakes Boulevard is right there. The old AAMI Stadium is only a stone's throw away. It's a cracking location. Why did you choose West Lakes for the third?
Like I said, we've got one at Lonsdale, which is the southern suburbs, one on South Road, which sort of meets the middle of Adelaide. And then we thought we'd come out here and sort of do north, western. And the plan is Luke and I are going to continue to expand. We're thinking maybe Victor Harbour Way, Gore up there, new homemaker centre at Parafield. We're going to sort of keep trying to get these things up and running. We really see that there's a space in Adelaide to have this program rolled out throughout.
Run me through the bathroom pod design. There's going to be about a dozen here at West Lakes. What is it, and why does it make choosing your bathroom appliances and stuff for your reno even easier?
Well, ultimately you go into our competitors' stores and they sell you the products and they send you off and that's it. And you're on your own and you're subcontracting the work out. What we have here is all in-house trades, full-time carpenters, plumbers, electricians, tilers. We have licensed builders that can conduct the largest scale size renovations. We've got interior designers, we've got specialised sales consultants. So we sort of have it all in-house and we manage the entire process for you. So that is the point of difference.
What's it like working with your brother?
Yeah, look, it's not too bad. We just see how it goes at the moment. We did it many years ago as when we were both on the tools and, you know, we had a few arguments back and forth, and now we're a bit older and a bit more mature. Hopefully it works out.
And how important is it that, you know, you've got the background in carpentry and then you've got your background in the industry, that you guys that are now running the show had actually been there and done that on the tools when you're dealing with the tradies?
Yeah, I think it's great. You know, we bounce ideas off each other and the clients come in and, you know, not only are we just salespeople, we're also the people that have been on the tools and have had that experience. So the knowledge that we can relay back to clients, it sort of reassures and makes them happy that they're getting, you know, a A-class job.
Well, they're talking to tradies, aren't they? They're not just talking to somebody selling the stuff. They're talking to people that have been in the home, done the work, understand what is actually involved in the job. And I think that's something you get different from our competitors.
What would you say to people that are thinking, I might do a bathroom reno or whatever, and like, what would you say to them if they're thinking, I should swing by and pop in? Like, how easy is it to get in touch with you guys and just have a chat?
We'd love you to come in. Like you said, you've got 3 locations, website, social media, contact us through that. Contact us through Cosi's site now. But ultimately, just come and find us. We'd love to chat with anybody. We welcome everybody in, all types of budgets. Come and have a chat and just start the process. I think a lot of people stay away because the process is overwhelming. And that's what we do. We sort of simplify it, strip it right back down and make it easy for everybody.
A few things I like about these guys: South Australian family-owned business. It kind of ticks the box if you're time poor, because it's like almost a one-stop shop. So you can come in, like here, 12 different bathroom pods, pick and choose what you like, put it all together. They'll design your bathroom, but then they don't like subcontract the tradie job out to other people. You guys do everything the whole way through.
We do it all, the whole bit.
Why is that important?
I think it's important because these days, as you said, people are busy. Mums and dads are both working. They don't want to be dealing with random subcontractors throughout the house. They want somebody that's accredited, somebody that has police checks, somebody that's really well organised, and we take care of it all. You deal with site supervisors, operations people, admin people, sales people, building supervisors, and Luke and I are always available to our clients, so you can touch base with us throughout that process anytime.
Bathrooms by Design is the secret for complete, no fuss, turnkey bathroom renovations. All their own trades and all the big brands. So while you're flat out with all things life, Bathrooms by Design deliver perfection.